Hello, friends. It's Phil, and today's podcast is going to be super short. And there's going to be a little song at the end of it, actually. It's a performance by the Harrow Apollo Male Voice Choir, which included my father, who sadly passed away yesterday. It was a little bit unexpected. It all came a bit too fast, let's say. But look, one of the things that I've been looking at is over the last couple of years, my dad always signed off any type of communication, particularly on social media or on group chats, on text messages. He'd always sign off with "Love, Dad." And we sort of, as a family, we joked about the fact that he'd always sign off "Love, Dad, love, Grandad," as if, mm, as if he needed to tell us again and again and again and again that he was our dad and he was our granddad and he did love us. But for all those years that we received the "Love, Dad, love, Grandad" message, it seemed insignificant, and if anything, it seemed a bit daft. But looking back on it now that he's gone, I guess we will miss that little silent wave, "Love, Dad." Anyway, look, here's a bit of music that Dad's singing in, because he enjoyed doing that. Anyway, look, thanks for listening. If you are listening, don't expect anyone to be listening, but this is just a little memento to myself, really. Anyway, catch you soon. Take care. Ta-da. Bye.
I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, hallelujah. Say I took the name in vain, though I don't even know the name. But if I did, well really, what's it to you? There's a blaze of light in every word. It doesn't matter what you heard, the holy or the broken, hallelujah, hallelujah. I did my best, it wasn't much. I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I've told the truth, I didn't come to fool you. And even though it all went wrong, I'll stand before the Lord of Song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah.